Hey, so today we're going to learn how to use StoryJumper. So first we're going to go to storyjumper.com. I've already got a account, but you can sign in however you choose. The accounts are all totally free to you, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. All right, so this is my account. As you can see, I already have one book, so I'm going to go ahead and create another book so you guys can see how we do it. So you're going to pick your book. I'm going to go ahead and pick the monster because that looks interesting. While we wait for it to load. You can watch a YouTube tutorial to see how you can do it, but since I'm going to show you guys how to do it, we don't need to do that. So as you can see, this book already has a whole bunch of stuff in it. I can flip the page, and you can see this book is already filled in. It's got pictures and everything. So you can add a dedication message. So basically what you can do is fill in anything that you want to change, or you can keep the book however you want to. Over here you can add text box, anything like that, and all the cool stuff, props, different scenes you'd like. So it's really to your discretion. So let's start with this. There was a monster in the kingdom that was so big that it made the earth tremble whenever it walked. So I'm going to change monster. I'm going to change all of it. So I'm going to go once upon a time. There was a sad and lonely creature that terrified a kingdom. So now that my text is there, I can add a voiceover if I want to. So if you click this, you can read it so that your students can listen to it in real time. So if I wanted to, I could go in and change the pictures, I could change the text. So I'm going to go ahead and save and exit so you guys can see what it looks like. So you can either buy the book, or you can edit, comment, or share. So I'm going to hit share. I'm going to make it public. And then I can add a description if I want to. I can embed it on a website, or I can share it via Facebook, Twitter, or email, or I could remix it. So thanks everybody for watching on how to do StoryJumper.